So here we are again, another visit to the greenhouse. Well, it's a good excuse because it's a bit wet out there. So we paid a visit to the garden centre. Mistake. We ended up spending more money and buying more things than we intended to. So we bought one of these things. It's called a root trainer. And we can see here, if we look over here, we can see we've started to put it together. We have the long containers, and I'll just show you how they're done. It comes flat packed like this, and you have to very gently pull them apart. Now, one of the things I did notice that these are rather fragile, and if we're not careful, you can easily break them. I was hoping for them to be more than a one-off use, but because they are so fragile, and we can see here, we just push them together, just a little bits at the top, overlap, and that kind of holds them together, and then they slide back into the container. And it also comes with a propagating lid. So we bought some more beans, and I bought exactly the same ones we had last year. Sutton seeds mixture. So we've got a yellow, a green, and a purple. So the idea is we use the root trainers so that they have a nice good depth of compost for the roots to go before they're ready to be planted out directly from these. That's my idea. We'll see how they work. So what I'm going to do now is I'll complete this, we'll fill it up with compost, and we'll direct sow the beans into it so that they can come up and we don't have to worry about them until such times as we're going to plant them out. So this one comes with 36 cells, and I thought 36 cells, well, that's 12 of each of the different varieties. But they're all mashed up together in here, I think, if I remember correctly. I don't think they've got 3 separate packs, but anyway, we enjoyed them, so we're going to do them again. Oh yeah, you can see here there looks like there's slightly different colours there. Definitely the whites, but then there's a kind of more olivey coloured one, and then a very pale coloured one. So there's the pale ones up there, and there's the white ones there, and there's the olivey kind of coloured ones there. And sort them through, so you can see the difference between those. So what I'm going to do is going to try and put those all together in different rows, so that when they come up, hopefully we might be able to identify which is which when they come up. 36 cells, that's 12 of each of the different varieties, and hopefully it will last through to next year.